As friends, come on. No, she's not here. She's coming back around the 13th or 14th. See, that one just gone down. Most likely, yes. But you see now they've just the zebras just move on the side. They just now the baby, see the baby already noticed that there's danger. Yeah, you see, yeah, they've noticed. And they've saved the baby. They've saved the baby.
Really?
They've saved the baby. I've never seen this before. This was right here, right here.
But the other one came out.
Yes, there is the other cheetah down there. Did you saw the zebra biting it? Biting a cheetah? It bite it, yes.
Did you get it? Yeah.
Come on, I've got everything. I've got everything.
I was holding.
I've got everything. So, you are not watching?
You can't read it. You can't read it.
This was the best view ever. Very lucky, I promise you. And the good thing is that, for you, he didn't kill the baby.
I appreciate for you, but yet there was a scream. Right?
Look at the way he's breathing.
Look at the way I'm breathing.
I was seeing that baby now.
And I said this morning, I just don't want to see her kill. Okay, I'm shaking.
You almost said a kill. Sorry, my friend.
I understand all that. I understand all that, but
I understand it too, but
he can't believe he's disappointed.
Francoise is gonna be okay. Francoise also, she doesn't like to see an animal being killed.
She understands.
Yeah, but she's not gonna post the video, but she will love it.
But what was
Wow.
So he's marking his territory.
Yeah.
they walked right into that. It wasn't even an ambush.
You saw one went down and the other one went that side. So when the baby tried to run, this one catch it. But one of them did get a bite from a zebra.
Do you think he's hurt?
No, he's not hurt.
They ready?
He managed to quickly run away.
They ready?
Yeah.
Let's see if they got closer.
Oh, wow.
I'm like those Chinese now. Okay, it's enough. I'm going.
I've never seen this before too, especially with these new cheetahs. I've never seen them like this close,
Andy,
exactly.